Hello, folks, and welcome to this next session of how to build a Twilio chatbot over SMS tied with Zendesk for ticketing support. Now, I've actually recorded this session a few times. What we're going to go over here in this session is figuring out the Zendesk and Twilio integration. So we're going to figure out how to get tickets in Zendesk from a text or or update tickets via text through Twilio on Python. So first thing that we're going to do is sign up for a new Twilio account because I think the one that I had before wasn't sending texts. And a new Zendesk account. Good old aliases. We'll get us in. Needs to be 14 characters. This keyboard's not the greatest. Hope that's the right password. And we need to get into the other Gmail. Well, this is a weird test. Oh, so we'll full screen this guy. Setting up your new account. Oops, there should be an email here. There we go. Oh, we got two of them. And I'm going to need a new text number to verify. Can I use my same old one? I don't think I can. I think I'm going to need a new TextNow account just for this purpose. So I'm going to use my old TextNow account to do the last verification on the second account. I wonder if 1999 has a TextNow account. Well, let's try the 226 number just in case it works. Ah, it does work. And let's open up Sublime Text. I already have it open. Let's get a Git project for this education ecosystem project. Looks like I haven't set up Git yet. I think that's our edit project. Use Git. I wonder if I have an SSH key on this machine. Yes. No, I don't. So let's set up an SSH keys because it's going to save me a lot of time versus using a key. And use an existing key. What if I have one in already? Do they want the private key? Public key. There we go, I have an empty repository. Building an SMS chatbot. Let's open this up in Sublime Text as a folder. Whoops, I wonder where I put that folder. Whoops, we don't want it there. We don't need sudo for this. Alright, now we can open the folder. Alright, so what we want to do is we want to find out if there's Python packages to interact with Twilio and Zendesk. Let's actually just pip install by Twilio. Oops, I messed that up. Come on, Sublime. So I need the count SID and auth token. Oh, where do I find that? Do I need a messaging service? No, that's not what I need. I need the auth key, or the, what is that I need? Account said an auth token. Here it is. Oh, it already populated it for me. That's nice. So where's my number? Send it from 2716. Let's try that. I think it worked. Yes, it did. Sent from your Twilio try account. Hello from Python. Alright, so now we need a Zendesk. Python. Yep. Let's install the requirements. And Zendesk. Alright, now what can we do with Zendesk? I gotta list my password. I don't really want to do that. How do I change my password? Where's Zendesk at? Oh, global. Change Zendesk password. In your user profile. Oh, there we go. Hopefully I typed that right the same time twice. I think I did. Alright, now let's try this here. Whoops, what did I just do? I can't remember what I used. So I can create a new ticket just like that. More examples in the examples folder. Let's see if this works. Let's not set another text right now. Well, let's see if we create a ticket this way. Couldn't authenticate you. Well, this is my Zendesk account. And I'm pretty sure I used that email. Maybe it didn't save my password change yet. That's my password, guys. I don't know what else to say. Zendesk Python authentication. Zenpy. Let's try this. Maybe this will authenticate. What are my credentials supposed to be? What are my credentials supposed to be? Let's just search for that command then. Is it here? It's like this. So the password should be an API token. It probably works with this other code that we have. It just didn't tell me to do that. It said password. So let's look for API here under settings. Token access enabled. Active API tokens. Oops. No, couldn't authenticate you. That's so silly. Alright, well, you're using the Zenp thing then. right, let's see if this works then. And we'll go back a couple pages to see what else we can do with this, with the quick start example. Tickets create, subject important, description thing. Examples, searching, creating a ticket with a different requester, commenting on a ticket. Oh, that's right, we do want to add a field for phone number. Where do I do that now? What does it look like when I look at this? User, it's a user field then. So let's just try new SMS. All right, let's try that. Creds is not defined. What are my creds? There's my creds. Oops, I should get rid of this. Either way, we know the integration is going to work now. But I guess created a ticket, so let's go see if we have that ticket. Which pretty much brings us to the end of this particular video. I wonder if we could use the Twilio Python library to receive a message. Yeah, right here. So I go to Google Voice and then write this Twilio number. we should be able to list these messages. And we should now have two Zendesk tickets too. So if we knew what was in the message instance, we could probably list the text that was in that message instance. Well, I really want to. Is it body that I'm looking for? We should now have three. Oh, look at that. So these are messages that were sent from Twilio, not to Twilio. By the way, we can figure that out in one of the next videos, but the important point is that we can read the body of the messages. So I guess we want to go back to Zendesk and see if we created those tickets. Yeah, we did. New SMS, new SMS, new SMS. We did it 4 times. Well, that pretty much ends this particular video. We're going to be able to integrate the Python libraries for Twilio and Zendesk to do stuff, and then we're going to actually make it smart by getting it to read the sentiment of whoever's texting in over the course of the conversation. So that's it for this session, and we will be back with the next session in just a few minutes.